Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you. That is this little bag right about here. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received this bag right here, and this is from a subscription called My Little Korea. On here, it does say mapetitekorea.com. I'm not sure which name, but when I go to their site, everything shows My Little Korea. And I'm really excited to see what is going to be in here. Now, they did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your bag to review and to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company first. That's what I do when I first bring a box or a bag to my channel. They did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you 15% off. And what is our K-Beauty box? 5 to 6 Korean cosmetic products. We select regarding the results from the form that you submit. So when you sign up, I guess there's like a little quiz or a questionnaire, and then they base your products off of that because not everybody has the same type of skin. So after selecting your plan, each month our vegan and eco-friendly pouch contains 5 to 6 Korean cosmetic products who we believe you will love. Through our experience in exporting Korean cosmetics, we have contacts with almost all Korean beauty brands in Korea. From skincare to makeup, you will get every month a little bit of Korea. Our products are high quality and full size and are all from well-known Korean brands. We love our animals, and all of our products in our K-Beauty box are 100% cruelty-free. Because we all have different skin types, our team will adapt your box every month regarding the form that we have you complete after ordering your first box. We will ask you what your skin type is. We will ask what's your foundation color, your favorite lipstick colors, lip tint colors. We are here to make you happy and discover Korean brands that you will love. And again, they have that code SheCrafty, which will save you 15% off. They do ship worldwide. If you do just 1 month at a time, it is $35 a month. If you do a 3-month plan, it brings it to $33 a month. If you do a 6-month plan, it'll bring it to $32 a month. And if you go big and go home and do the whole year, it brings it to $29 per box per month. So there's your different options. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside. So it looks like they're going to always send them in like these little bags, and there is that. Let's go ahead and dive in and see. Now, I don't know if this was last month, if this is this month. I don't know if there's a card. So let's just go ahead and dump all of the products out, and then we will see. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. All right. So there is a card in here, and it says September selection. So this is last month's September's box. At least I could confirm that. Now, is there pricing or anything? No. It doesn't show pricing of the individual items, which is okay. Not every subscription box company does. So this looks like a 2-step mask by Nature Republic, Ginseng Royal Silk Gold 2-step hydrogel mask. And then this one has a banana on it, and it looks like just like a normal sheet mask. So there's these two right here. It says 2 premium sheet masks. So you have 2 different ones there. Now we have this right here. It says Deep Clean Foam Cleanser. That's a good size too for a cleanser. Now it only literally gives you the pictures and the name. So it doesn't even give you like a description or anything like that. This says Deep Clean Foam Cleanser formulated with purifying baking soda and sparkling water, helps control excess oil with a refreshing filling. So a daily cleanser right there. That is really neat. And again, everything's supposed to be full-size products. So then we have something in this little thing here, and it says palette. Ooh, let's see. So this is going to be makeup. And it just says VT eyeshadow palette. It looks like there's going to be 6 colors. Ooh, that's a cute little package. It's all glittery. Look at that. It's all blinged out. And then when you open it up, these are really pretty colors, and it looks like you can do like a complete look with it because you do have the dark to the light shades with a couple mattes and a couple shimmers. So you have a little 6 quad eyeshadow palette. That is really neat. Okay, so now let's go over this. This says Pure Mellow Avocado Oasis Toner Pads. High moisturizing, comforting pads. And this box does look like it has received some moisture. So I don't know if what was in it eventually ended up leaking through its traveling, but you can definitely tell this did retain some water and it just dried. Pure Mellow Avocado Oasis Toning Pads. So I don't know if these are even gonna be wet. Let's see. That's weird because it has a top on it. So how did it leak? I can see water all in here. So it definitely leaked, but cool. All of the pads are still wet and moist. Ooh, I'm gonna like fling my moisture at you. But here they are. So they are all nice and moist. So that's good. Even though it did get a little bit of water out, it didn't do anything to the actual product. These are still really, really wet. So that's awesome. Let me finish taking that off. Ooh, that smells. Oh, that smells really. Oh, that smells really good. It has a really good, clean scent to it. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, so this just says toner pads. There's nothing else on there. It smells really good though. Ooh, I like the smell. Okay, so the next item, this looks like this is a liquid eyeliner by Etude House. And I don't do anything with liquid liner, so I'm gonna just save this for one of you guys. But here is a liquid liner and there is the packaging. And then there's actually 2 extra items in here. They're not listed because this just has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one has the 2 different sheet masks. So that is what was in September, but there's 2 extras in here. One of them is going to be a face mask, which that is awesome to put in here right now because we all need to protect ourselves. So here is a face mask. It has a little embroidered flower on it. And let's see. Ooh, it fits good. It's like this whole way is completely covered. Ooh, that's a good mask because it covers everything. I hate when some of them I have, like this is too small and I'm constantly pulling up, pulling down, and that one actually fits perfectly. So that is awesome. And then there's a pair of socks. These are super cute though. So here is a pair of socks. And again, these look like they're just extras. So what was in the September box, one more time, would be the toning pads, the cleanser, the eyeshadow palette, the liquid eyeliner, and the 2 different sheet masks. That is actually, I think this was a really good box. What do you guys think? I like the combination of the makeup and the skincare, and I like the little extras that they added as well. So if you did a full 12 months, this would be as low as $29, or if you just wanted to try it out and do 1 month at a time, it's $35. I did not see anything on the site about shipping fees, so I don't know if shipping is included worldwide or if shipping is an addition, but I tried to even like put something in my cart to see if it would bring up anything with shipping, and I couldn't see anything about it charging shipping. So I'm not sure about that one, but SheCrafty will get you 15% off your first order if you do want to check out this Korean beauty product subscription box. So go ahead and comment down below, what did you think of this box? I love being able to bring new boxes to you guys as long as it looks good. Some don't look worth our time, so I just pass on a whole lot of companies, but this one actually looked interesting, and I love skincare. You know, I'm a skincare bitch. I love my skincare. Again, this is the first time me getting it. I think it was really neat. I like the difference between the makeup and the skincare. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this? Have you seen this bag before? Have you heard of this company before? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.